What you're looking at here is one of the huge maps that we print. That's a yardstick. That's 3 feet across by just about 5 feet long. This is one of the Pasadena maps available from the Library of Congress website. We've been reproducing these for well over 15 years. Wow, these have incredible detail. Now, this particular one, it appears that it was taken from a book where the ink from the page that it was next to that has leaked onto the map itself. Maybe the page was so thin that's the ink from the back coming through. I'm not exactly sure. You can see the reverse writing coming through. Well, it's a very interesting map. About 100 years ago. You'll see that some of the highlights were printed in red, like Central Park and William R. Well, there you have it. That is one big map of Pasadena.